If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire.
Kupitia hiyo masaa. Pilipili 24 hours, huwezi kosa. Pilipili
kuna misitu hatujazoea beach ziko na msitu hivi.
Hii ilikuwa heritage. Ilikuwa kama ile historical site. Huko ndani ukiingia kuna ile watu wana mengi.
Asante. Tunataka kwenda kwa beach kwanza. Sasa tuingililia hapa. Guys, we are at Mtwapa. Ona keti. Kwani hii beach ya huku ni ndogo aje? Mezoea beach kubwa kweli kweli. Mezoea beach yenye naona maji huko, si kama hii.
Hujatembea hujafika kule kuna maji huko. Hapo umeangalia ile ni Mombasa County.
Hii ni Mombasa County?
Au Kilifi County. Ile pale ni Mombasa County.
Hii lakini si, hii ni kama kariva tu hivi.
Hapa.
Hakuna yenye beach yenye ni refu hivi.
Kule kwenye mando kwa utaona mwisho. Hata hapo kuna mando kusema pale vile. Uone mwisho.
So guys, we are at the beach right now. This is Mtwapa Bridge. No, Mtwapa Beach. I've never been to Mtwapa, so this is my very first time to be at Mtwapa. And this is Mtwapa. Naona. Nitawaambia. You rain guys. Sawa. Tarudi. So guys, this is the beach here at Mtwapa. I've never been to Mtwapa Beach. This is my very first time. So come along with me as we see. This beach is very small, plus it's very dirty. See? Like it has a lot of these winds. What do we call this, guys? This is how the beach looks like. Oh, actually thought that the beach is small, but actually it's big. You can see it's like this is a small bush here that is in the middle of the ocean. Yeah, so you can see they have a lot of boats here if you want to come and enjoy. Yeah, you can see. I don't want to get to the water because I'm wearing a trouser. I don't think there's any other way you can go to the other side. Let me see. Can you cross over to the other side? I want to go to that part over there and see. Let me pass here. I hope this is still public beach. Isipita huku na ikuwe ni private beach. So, I don't know what these things are for, guys. Hizi vitu zenye ziko na orange and white. They look like a post inside the water. Let me go see whether I can ask somebody over there who knows what they are for. Then they have horses, guys. Oh, nakuja. Guys, I think I should try a horse ride. I should try a horse ride. I've never ridden a horse nor a ngamia. So what do you think? Should I try a horse ride with you? But what I wanted to know ni, what are these for? But there are a lot of boats here. Today is on a Saturday. I don't know why we don't have people here. It looks like Mtwapa Beach is like a small beach that not so many people come to. Because right now, if you go to a place like Kenyatta Beach in Bamburi, it's full. Or because yeah, so this is what I'm asking, guys. What is this? Let me see whether I can ask somebody over there. I don't know whether they have people who knows what they are, but this is what I'm talking about. Sijui hii ni nini? What is this? I want to go to the other side and walk around. I want to try the horse ride actually. I've never ridden a horse ever in my life. So let's go and see whether we'll get that guy who is like hiring the horse that we can try. Hizi vitu zinaweza kuangusha. You see? Hizi vitu za boat. This is a small boat here as well. Oh, there are so many small boats around here. And maybe they have fishermen here, I don't know. Ah, you see this one is written Mtwapa Fishermen Group. Yeah, probably they are for fishermen. So what I've not known in hizi vitu ni za nini. Bari zenyu. Nadauliza sasa ni za nini? Kama hii na ile.
Okay, mimi pia naweza fikiria.
Sawa, uko sure
I think ni za maybe wale watu watch usiku.
Kama watch towers. So kuna stairs hapo ndani. Watu wanaingililia.
Ile pande ile
the other side. Bende basi sijapita ile side. Sawa, thank you. Ni YouTube. Mimi ni content creator. Diana Velma. Velma. Yeah, you can follow. Utajua. Hii ni 360 inaweza record hivi na inaweza record kwa mbele. Utajiona hapo Diana Velma. Diana Velma. Maybe. Hivi kama Hivi hapo. Sawa. So guys, apparently that is jambo. Niambie. Kabisa. Hapana si leo. So guys, those are like watchtowers. That is what I'm being told, but he's saying he's not also sure whether it's a watchtower, but let me say it, probably it's a watchtower as well, because maybe we have people who always watch the ocean. For maybe those people who are coming, watu wasiingie to the beach wrongly. Anyways, so hi, hello, how are you? Asante. So let me go try to see whether I can get some food. I also want to take food here in Mtwapa. I've never eaten food here in Mtwapa. Jambo. Nani? Mpeleka kula? Mawe gani? Haupa unilipishi. Hii beach yenyu ni kidogo aje hivyo. Saizi najua nikienda kama Kenyatta Beach. Inaitwa hiyo Kenyatta Beach? Bamburi Beach. Saizi watu wamejaa na ni kubwa. Huko kwenye ni kadogo hivi. Kama imefika huko mwisho, unaweza enda hadi huko chini. Inashikana na Kilifi. No, like Kilifi town huko. Mimi siendi kukula lakini, si ndio? Iko na chakula poa? Poa. So, bado nachukua video. Atulia bada. So, nimeona mtu ako na horse hapa. Nimeona mtu ako na horse. Wanalipisha aje horse ride?
Naongea nao tu bang kwa msimu.
Ina depend na distance yenye unaenda. So guys, they also have restaurants around here, so you can eat your food if you're hungry. It's not like I've been to Kenyatta Beach and they don't have a lot of restaurants like we have here. So here they have a lot of restaurants. Ziko kadhaa, si kama Kenyatta Beach. So that is a plus for this beach here in Mtwapa.
Copacabana.
Copacabana. Inaitwa hivyo? Copacabana Beach. That is the name of the beach. Na mbona ninaita Mtwapa Beach? Mtwapa Beach iko wapi?
Mtwapa kila kuna Mtwapa Beach.
Jina yake ni Copacabana. So guys, it's called Copacabana. It's not Mtwapa Beach, but it's in Mtwapa. I didn't know that. Nacheza music. Wow, this is a very nice spot. Look at the seats. This is called Paradise. Oh, it looks so good. I love the theme. The theme is giving Mombasa. Wow, this is so good. Wow. So you can see this is the forest I was talking about. These trees have grown inside the water. See? So this is what is hiding the beauty of the beach right here. Wow, there's a lot of restaurants here actually. Hapa hivi watu hawaswim. Ah, ndio hii horse. Mwenye analipisha ni mwenye ana haya ni gani nani? Ah, unalipisha ngapi? Kwa line 300. Wala iko kubeba mwanzo mpaka mwisho. Picha peke yake toa nusu. 300 pesa mingi wewe. So guys, they pay 300 to do the so carrying somebody else, then we are going to try. Si umpeleke basi then nirudi tuongee. So guys, we have a chihuahua here. This is the beach, guys, in Mtwapa. They have a lot of food. Ukikuja huku, you don't have to starve. They have a lot of restaurants around. One thing about the beach is this. Hizi zilitolewa hizi ama zinachafuliwa juu ya hizi miti. Hizi miti ndio zinatupa hii. Tunaenda hadi wapi sasa? Si naona pale imefika mwisho. So guys, people are playing football. Acha apige. Apiga. People are playing football here. Should I try to play? It's okay, no problem. So guys, want to go to where we have rocks, but anything about the beach is that we have a lot of these branches. Hey, God, we have a dog here, guys. I fear dogs. Oh my God. Oh my God, I fear dogs. I don't like dogs at all. I feel like they can eat me. You can see inside here. But I love how the restaurants looks like. They look so good. I love how they're using this makuti to do the roofings. Pelicano restaurants. They have so many restaurants here. Pelicano. See Pelicano. It's got Pelicano. Oh. So hizo si majina za Kiswahili. Bianca. So they have a lot of bars and restaurants. So you are sorted when you come here. If you are a drinker, if you eat. Hapa ndio tumeingililia hapa Paradise. Hapa tumeingililia wapi? Paradise. Ndio. Sijui sasa niende nikule kwanza nikigojea horse. So guys, let me go eat, then we're going to go and ride the horse. Kama ni uongo tu. So guys, apparently here there was a guy whose private parts went, like, I don't know if you've been to Mombasa, you've heard those stories about people's private parts. You've been touched and then your private parts are gone. So apparently in this video you can see there's a lot of commotion of people, especially men. You can see people videoing the man I don't know who specifically it was, but there was a man whose private part went side. Apparently it's somebody who just looked at them and I don't know how true that is, but I've heard a couple of stories about that. But anyways, we'll just get in and go ride the horse. Okay.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a haze of moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. I know I'm holding the best of me out of my head. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. I know I'm holding the best of me out of my head. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like